Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Um, as you all know, on this channel I talk about money, and it's all about it's very much a mix what I present in my channel. Money is a basic thing which we all feel and which you all know that even the richest are like you have money, okay, that is a security, then and then anything remaining everything falls everything in place. So that is one. Second, I talk about is only thinking about and working on towards money is not sufficient. You have to have a right mindset. That also I've spoken about. So one of the mindset topic which everybody has this question is whether stock market is a good place for investment. Whether stock market is a good place for investment. Now, over the period of time, which I have seen in my 20 years of my career, if you ask me personally, yes, for me it was actually a best deal which was there. I didn't utilize it. I utilized it a little bit with a small understanding, and I have burned also in 2008, and I just came out of it, not knowing the market from that time or 6,800. Now it will go on to 60,000, 50, 60,000. So, my dear friends, so before starting a small gist of the stock market is a place where it's actually bigger companies go public and they can you can buy their stocks. It can be a small percentage as an ownership. You will get it. So there are lots of videos about stock market. You let me know if you किसी को कुछ और details चाहिए. When you need some more details, I can guide you. But stock market is a place where you can buy the company. You can be a part of the company. Tata, Birla, then your Reliance, Infosys. So you can be a part of it. Okay. Now, what is the potential of growth? So one of the main advantage of investing in the stock market is the potential of growth. Yeah, the potential of growth is huge. Huge means huge, but the stock market so have provided higher returns than any other investments. Any other investments. We all will say about retail and things like that, but that also takes time. It was earlier, but then over the period of time stock market is what I've seen is the best. But the risk and reward, it is associated with risk and rewards. However, it's important to understand that investing in stock market comes with risk, very high risk if you're not patient enough. Yes, if you're not patient enough, if you have patience, you can make money for yourself and for your generation. Yes, for your generation. The value of an investment can go up and down based on the factors like economic conditions and a company performance, whatever it is. So, what does that mean? See, the stock market is upon the company's performance and whatever happens in the policies and in your country and globally. So, simply put, uh, 19 1999 2000 and something, if I heard, in most Infosys was around. I am not able to recollect, but only thing is I know that time I was just doing my engineering. I would have put my money that time in the Infosys. Now I would have been a crorepati. So yes, so one is you need to know about good companies, not random companies, not on speculations. Second, have to have patience. Now, it's not that I put today money, tomorrow I'll get it, or 1 year money. No, 5 years, 10 years down the line, need to have patience. See, over the period of time, if you look at it, it's been given a reward. Good company. There are companies which have closed, but then I'm saying you need to know basic of your. If you're managing your money, one should know a basic of your how to increase your money. What is happening? FDs is throughout known because it's been traditional. Now it is not beating the inflation, so you need to find out the avenues what you can have. And right now, everybody is talking about India growing faster. Now it is a time for India because everybody has grown. China and they're growing. US and other countries are growing, but then India is now it's a potential for us. So think about it. Just think about it. Learn about it. Take experts level. Learn from your experts. Find out what you can do. But basic things you should know. Don't just leave it to anybody. Even if you have a financial advisor, check with him, ask him, and then go for about it. So one way is, let's say I say, okay, fine, I'll invest into Infosys and things like that. Sit down. No, diversify. I said risk. Na? How do I mitigate my risk? One is have patience. Second is diversify. To minimize your risk, it's good idea to diversify your investment by investing in mix of stocks. It will be stocks, bonds, and other companies. So you have Infosys, it's an IT company. Then you have a manufacturing company. I mean, different varieties and lots of companies around. So according to that, you need to diversify. So one sector goes up, another one come down. So one other one goes up, another one come down. So you have a balanced portfolio. So this way, one of the investment doesn't perform well, your overall portfolio will not get impacted. Now, long term, as I told you, investment in stock market is the best for those with a long term investment horizon. This means you should be prepared to hold on to investment for at least 5 to 10 years rather than trying to time the market and make quick profits. See, trading and all those things, if you have professionally been into it, you can do it. But then, yes, it's associated with risk and reward. But for a simple person who just wanted to invest and grow, leave it. For example, if I can just put in, when I'm just putting in 1,000 rupees monthly in the name of the kid, let them grow, let it be for them in a good company. Just review monthly, yearly what is happening with your company selections, and then let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. Yeah. So, conclusion. Stock market can be a good investment option, but it's important to understand the risk and the long-term investment horizon required. If you are interested in investing in the stock market, it's recommended to seek an advice from financial advisor and to do your own research to make informed decisions. So even if you're taking the advisor's advice, it's advisable that you too do a small research. Now, earlier you need to find out, there was no opportunity to find out any details of a company. Now you just go to Google, type in who's the owners of this company, who's the board members of this company, what is the last dividend returns, what are the profits, what are the loss, everything you get it. Basic 4-5 points I'll list down later on in my next video. Then you can just work out. Yeah. So hope this information helps you, and we'll see you in my next video. All the best.